Let's talk about content AI. Everyone's heard about ChatGPT, mastering prompts. Well, inside your software, you have content AI in a variety of places. When you go to settings and automation, you'll see the content AI tab right here that will show you where your usage is and all of the content that you've selected throughout the system. You're going to see we're going to be able to select in Social Planner, we're going to be able to use content AI in blogs, funnels, websites, and emails. In Social Planner, you can generate content from AI just by putting in content titles, descriptions, and the writing tone. You can also do this in blogs, in funnels as well. You'll just be looking for the little icon in the text in your funnels. Also in your website, you'll be able to see little textual icons that show a robot. And in your email, you can create vibrant emails as well. The other thing that you can do inside of your software is use Image AI. That's for your social planner, maybe your blog images. You can use Image AI right inside your software, and it's easily used and managed using your credits. And the latest thing that we've got, which is outstanding, is being able to reply to reviews. You can also utilize Zapier and ChatGPT to enhance your workflows to create crazy auto responses that go on for days when it comes to conversations and prompts. We'll talk more about conversational AI when we get to the conversational AI course. You definitely want to check this out to see this astounding AI tool inside of your software. I'm going to spend a little bit of time in AI inside your social planner to help you really enhance your ability to work with AI within the system. Let's face it, we're not always that creative when it comes to things that we're trying to say, and AI is going to help you make things more vibrant, bring out adjectives, but we've got to train the AI. I'm going to pretend like we're going to make a social post here, but let's select AI first. We can generate a social post with AI. We can also do things like improve our writing, fix spelling and grammar, simplify writing, make longer or make shorter. So I'm going to make a post saying, I can't wait to try this new pizza place. And I would probably do a post with a picture that says pizza place. Okay, great. Let's look at AI. When I select AI, you can see I can't wait to try this new pizza place. I could generate a comment. I could improve my writing. I can fix my spelling and grammar. I could simplify. I could make longer, or I could make shorter. Let's select improve my writing. I wrote, I can't wait to try a new pizza place. When I select improve writing, it's going to pull my writing, and look what it did for me right here. It's going to say, get ready for a slice of heaven, counting down the seconds until I sink my teeth into the new must-try pizza at this brand new pizza spot. It even gave me a hashtag. If I didn't like that, I could regenerate it, or I could tell it what I want to do, improve the writing, fix my spelling, simplify my words. Let's say make longer. Now it's going to take the post and it's going to make it even longer. Of course, this is going to depend on where you're posting, but it just made a very long post. Wow. That's a lot. Let's say make it shorter. Okay, we like it. Ready for the ultimate pizza experience? Indulge in the must-try mouth-watering pizza at this brand new spot. From the aroma to the flavors, every bite is perfect. Wow, it is really expanding my post. And when you're ready, all you got to do is use this to replace your text right here. And now I've got a perfectly crafted with lots of adjectives making you want to go and try the pizza place. You can see right here, if we didn't have one, we could generate the content from scratch. We could give it a title, give it a brief description. What are we trying to do? How do we want the writing tone? Funny, casual, exciting, professional, witty, sarcastic, and grumpy, secretive, respectful, and persuasive. You can ask it to give you a few different variations, and you can also tell it the length of the content, small, medium, or large, or if you want it to be a certain custom with the words. So setting up your AI content now is so easy to use. People are going to think you've hired a professional marketing person. The AI uses credits, so make sure that you have your credits filled up because you're going to want to be using this software. The other thing that I could do with my post right here is inside of my post, I can add an image using AI. So I can create an image using AI just by telling it what I want my image to be. I'm going to say mouth-watering pizza at a pizza diner. I can select it to be dreamlike, animated, a photo, color, or a watermelon. Let's make it dreamlike, and I'm going to ask for 3 variations. Let's generate these 3. Look at that. It's almost perfect. I could select that one, and then I'm ready for my post. Look at that. I could also add more information on my prompts. Mouth-watering pizza at a pizza diner. Let's do this. Woman eating a mouth-watering pizza at a pizza diner. Let's go ahead and generate, and that looks mouth-watering. Look at that. We can even take her. She's almost perfect. Her hands are a little funny in this one, so we probably won't use that one. This looks more realistic and mouth-watering. So you could select your AI picture, and now you've got an AI right inside of your blog. I could always improve my writing like we just did. If I wanted to fix my spelling or grammar, we can also do that. We can ask it to simplify the content, so it would simplify the writing content as well. Lots of great things that you can do with AI by using the AI button here, and also adding in and creating using AI images to make your post really stand out. And that's using AI inside of your social planner. Let's go to sites. Let's say I'm creating a new funnel. Let's go to this plumber funnel, and I'm going to edit the page. This works both in websites and funnels. Here's my text, and I'm thinking I want to change this right here. So I've highlighted what I want to change. Let's select AI and let's ask it to improve my writing. It's going to take the content and it's going to improve the writing. When faced with late night plumbing disaster or malfunctioning boiler, I don't like that one. Let's regenerate. Late night solutions that won't make you wait. Got a late night problem that needs urgent attention? Look no further. We're here to help you when time is of the essence. I like this one, so I could replace my text with that AI. I can also generate a new paragraph. I can fix my spelling and grammar. I can simplify the writing. I can even make it longer. All the same awesome features inside the social planner I can now do using AI to build my funnel or even my website. Look at that. And on websites, you really want to have a lot more textual content than you would normally have because your website needs to be crawled and you need to have textual content on it. And that's how you can use AI inside of your website and builder. I'm going to show you 2 more, and one being a blog. So let's say we're going to go to our sites and our blog, and I wanted to write a new article. We'll just change this. Let's do this on our burger that we did earlier. Top 10 best burgers in Texas. This is what my article is about. We're going to go ahead and create the post. And if I want to create my AI, you're going to see Content AI right here. I'm going to highlight this right here. And let's say what we're looking for is an introduction paragraph to the top 10 pizzas in Texas. Content title would be Top 10 Pizza Places in Texas. And then I could provide a description. I'll just leave it really simple so we can just generate a few. Let's make it exciting. And then we'll add the keyword pizza. And I just did this very minimal. Just a quick thing. Are you ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through the Lone Star State? Get ready to indulge in the most delectable pizza. Okay, if I don't like this, I can go to the next one because I asked for 3. Are you ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey in the Lone Star State? Get ready to sink your teeth into the most delectable slices of pizza. So we could do this, or we could cancel and we could regenerate it. So inside of blogs, you'll just do the same thing. You just highlight, and guess what? You select Content AI. You can tell it what you'd like to do for you. And there you have it right inside of your blog. You can use it when it comes to working on your blog by utilizing the blog in here. Just look for the little content AI right here inside your blog to get blog writing help. And when you go into email templates, if you're having a hard time setting up your email, you can also do the same thing in here just by going into your email template, highlighting the text, and looking for Content AI. Using Content AI inside your software is fun. So if you need help writing something fun when it comes to Content AI, it's right here for you. Write it in Social Planner, write it in your blog, write it in your funnel or website, and use Content AI to generate those wonderfully driven, well-crafted emails that make it look like you hired a professional. Use AI to help you expand your adjectives, your excitement, maybe even being funny. And that's how you can use AI inside of your social planner, your blog, your funnel, your website, and your email. Once you begin to use your Content AI, if you go into automations in Content AI, this is where you can manage your AI generated content. It'll show you how many words you've generated, the variations, and how many words per day that you're using. That's under the text. You'll also see down here all of the text that you've used. You can see what you've used for Social Planner, for the blog, for the funnel, for the website, and for your email. You'll be able to see those all under the text here. You can also see the information that was listed, and when you select Go To, it'll take you to the Content AI where you can go to see the 3 different variations and easily copy it and reuse it again. Over here, you'll see the image, and when you select image, you'll see all of the images that we've created right here. If you look at all, again, you can look at Social Planner. These were created in Social Planner, but if you created an image in blogs, funnels, websites, email, or in your media library, they would all show here as well. It's a great way to manage the content that you've already worked really hard to create, you and Content AI. So if you haven't started using Content AI, definitely check it out. It's only going to enhance the vocabulary, the adjectives, and really make your content pop. And people are going to think that you're spending lots of money on help, but your help is going to be your Content AI assistant that will help you with your social planner, your blog, your funnel, your website, your email, and generating images are right inside of your software.